How to have sex for a long time using 3 simple tips coming up in this video. Hey, it's Vikram, your sex guru. If this is your first time here and you're looking to learn about all things sex, make sure you hit the subscribe button now and turn on bell notifications so that you don't miss anything. So how do you have sex for a really long time? Is it really possible? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 powerful tips that you may not have heard of before that will allow you to have sex for a much longer time than you're currently able to sustain yourself. Tip number 1, foreplay. Foreplay can be understood as physically or emotionally intimate acts where you're acting upon or invoking your sexual desire and increasing sexual arousal ahead of sexual activity. Foreplay also builds anticipation and causes changes both in the mind and body ahead of sex. So in terms of your mind, foreplay can involve either teasing and gesturing, talking, or even whispering. And in terms of your body, physical engagement can be brought about through either erotic touching, stripping down and being naked, or even just kissing and doing the usual stuff that involves some form of physical contact. All of this and more can be declared as a part of your foreplay activity. And here's the best part. Foreplay is great because not only does it allow you to have sex for a longer time, but it also reduces inhibitions, builds sexual confidence, and creates emotional intimacy. How awesome is that? How one decides to go about foreplay can be dependent on your needs as well as your partner's needs. And typically this is very different from other couples. It all boils down to how much you are willing to explore each other and find out what you like and what you dislike. Tip number 2, try the cowgirl position, also known as woman on top. You see, when a woman is on top, she is in complete control of the depth of penetration. Additionally, she is also in control of the rate of thrusting. Most men who ejaculate early will find this beneficial. In fact, for the best effect, you can avoid thrusting initially and give your body some time to adjust and understand what it feels like within the contours of the vagina. And even if you ejaculate during this time, it's still okay. The key is to really not put too much pressure on yourself. Over time, as you become more comfortable, you can encourage her to start thrusting and then eventually switch to other sexual positions. If you want to learn a little bit more about some of the best sex positions, hit the I button and go watch that video, and I will tell you which really is the best sex position for more orgasms. Tip number 3, use anesthetic creams or sprays in order to increase how long you are able to have sex. Anesthetic creams and sprays work great because not only do they numb the penis a little bit ahead of penetration, but they also reduce any oversensitivity that you may be suffering from at this point of time. They work just like any other local anesthetic that you may have experienced when you went to the dentist. Lidocaine and prilocaine creams work great in this regard. But before you go in and use it yourself, make sure you consult your local doctor to find out how to use it effectively and properly. Having said that, I have linked a few of those anesthetic products down in the description box below. Go check them out. And finally, here's a small bonus for you. Let me over-deliver. One of the best ways to prolong the sexual act even after ejaculation is by repeating foreplay once you're done. And that is known as afterplay. Now this can range from making out after sex, just holding each other, or even spooning and falling asleep. Afterplay is awesome because not only does it carry the benefits of foreplay, but it increases the likelihood of you being aroused once again. So there you have it, 3 ways and a bonus on how you can have sex for a longer time. Remember, the key to you enjoying a longer sex act lies in your ability to initiate and prolong both non-genital focused as well as non-penetrative focused activities and reduce the need to find gratification in just penetrative sexual intercourse. And by that I mean focus a little less on your junk and instead learn to explore the sexual majesty of your body. So if you're looking for a comprehensive training system where I take you through step by step and I teach you exactly what it takes through real world communication skills, how to develop an amazing sex life and a loving relationship, then make sure you check out the Verbal Love Quotient training system down in the description box below, or you can check out the website right here. This is a customized training system for you that I personally designed, and it gets you results. And if you want to learn more free sex tips, make sure you hit the I button now and check out the best sex playlist. In the meantime, have some fun with these tips, experiment, comment down below and let me know which one works best for you, and tell me what else you want me to cover here on this channel. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button now so that you don't miss any other content that I'm putting out just for you in order to learn about all things sex. This is Vikram signing off, and I'll see you in the next session.